from Basti to Central Jail, Karachi. On Saturday, 8th of July 2017, Consul General of France, Monsieur François Dalloxo, will open the fourth week-long exposition of impressionistic art titled Basti to Central Jail, Karachi, at the main art gallery of Alliance Francaise French Cultural Centre. Exhibition featuring 60 canvases painted by the prisoners of Central Jail, Karachi will terminate at the Basti Day reception on 14th of July.
Je crois que l'expérience la plus intéressante que j'ai eue, que j'avais pas eu l'occasion, c'est la rencontre avec les prisonniers de la prison centrale de Karachi.
Impressionistic art Basti to Central Jail, Karachi, that is being presented by Director Alliance Francaise Jean-François Chena and NewsPakistanTV has a strong support of Media Fraternity of Pakistan.
We wholeheartedly support reformation via art.
All proceeds from the sales of paintings will go to the impressionistic artists.